I'm fucking disgusted because you have people, ne? Ekubeni umuntu wakhona decides ukuthi bona they wake up, they get on social media, they wake up, and they've got a lot to say, you know? And I'm talking specifically about abantu that sekagrand empilweni yakhe, you know? Umuntu uqeda ukukhola i-20,000 nyana, umuntu wakhona sekathenge i-BM, uhlala complexini, umuntu wakhona now feels from the privilege of space sakhe, indlu yakhe, ukuthi they can start writing and talking a whole lot of bullshit, you know, and nonsense, and saying ukuthi what is going on is not right. Yabo? Look, I'm not politically aligned to anybody. I am not going to come and start talking deep into politics and all that nonsense. You understand what I'm saying? But it is wrong. It is wrong for where another thinks you've arrived, you're working wherever, you're getting whatever 20,000 that you're getting, you're staying wherever that you're staying with townhouse nyana, tengi BM nyana, and then from there you want to come. The very same person, you want to come and then you want to say, Uguti, what the fuck is happening on the ground is not cool. Nobody says it's cool. Nobody is condoning looting. Don't get me wrong, nobody's condoning that, yabo? But I've taken it upon myself, Uguti, to talk about these things, you know, because I co-create people like this, and this is not about Uzuma anymore. Yabo? This thing has been simmering for a very, 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 very long time. It's been simmering for a very long time. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. Ukuthi this thing yenzakale the way yenzakala ngakhona. Yabo? I'm really disturbed about all of this. And then here we are, you know, in a situation where Tina influential people, and I'm talking about my fellow celebrities, I'm talking about my fellow stars in the industry. Everybody's fucking quiet. Everybody's fucking quiet about this. Nobody's saying a word. Nobody's saying a word. But you see them fucking releasing, then they expect the very same people on the ground to buy their music. You see everybody doing their TV shows, they expect the very same people on the ground to watch their shows. You expect, and then you see them playing sports. You understand? You see them playing sports, and then you expect the very same people to watch your games. These are the very same people on the ground who are doing that today. I'm talking about, you see the problem that I have, Vandag, right now, is I'm talking about the clever blacks. The clever blacks, bona that think ukuthi sebafikile no. Sebazositshela ukuthi no, this is cool, or they are looting, or they are doing whatever. That fuck what you think, with they are looting or whatever. This is bound to happen. People are starving. People are starving. Umuntu phethe imbuzi on the back. When last did that family have food? When last did that family eat meat? I own businesses myself. My stores were looted as well. And I'm saying enough is enough. Let them steal if they have to steal. Let them do whatever. Because the government has not provided that. I'm doing myself. I'm not talking about anybody else. I'm doing myself what the government is supposed to be doing. Meaning what? I take 10% of my salary and I go and I give a certain community ukudla. I go and I give a certain community what I can possibly give from my own 10% of salary. But nobody else can do that. The government is not doing that as well. The government is not doing that. So people that think they're smart and they think they've arrived and they think they want to go out there and start talking about, oh, it's wrong, oh, it's not good. Nobody's condoning looting. Nobody is condoning looting. I'm fucking disgusted about the blacks that think they've arrived, they think they're smart, and they think they're above everybody else. It's not about Zuma. It's not about anything. People are crying out. 46% of the youth is unemployed. That means that's almost 50%. That's almost 50% of the youth that's unemployed. What are we doing with that? What are we doing with that? I can't do everything. I can't do everything on my own. I'm not getting help from anybody. Celebrities are not doing anything. People are quiet because I'm endorsement. I'm a tender from my government. I'm a contract from the government. Tina, as a country, we've already been sold. So the very same people at the bottom, they must go get that food. They must go get whatever. Then it is fine. Allow them to. But all I'm saying is that, like, something has to be done. And if it means that the nation has to cry out loud, like the way then let it be so that they can hear. Can you imagine we out here, we listening to what the president is saying? The president is not saying anything. This is not about Zuma. This is not about what. This is not like, the president is not saying anything with the solution as of seas. He's talking about soldiers going out there. He's talking about whatever. At the end of the day, if the whole society stands as one, and we say enough is enough, let me ask you something. If people had jobs, if people had shelter, if that money was not eaten, do you think this would be happening? This would not be happening. It's not happening in other countries where there's enough shelter. People are actually using the money where it's supposed to be. I'm not saying there's no corruption, but even if the corruption is there, make sure, Tina, as the people out there, we are being taken care of. We are being taken care of. And influential people are not saying anything. This is what is disgusting me. This is what is disgusting me. My friend, like, these are the same people on the lower end that are watching our shows. These are the very same people that are coming to our gigs. These are the very same people. And then from it is came. When they're going out there and they're doing what they're supposed to be doing to feed their own families. I'm not talking about Lady Malezi, or basket. I'm talking about people that really need this thing. Like people that go 4 months without water, sanitization, all the stuff. These are the things that I'm talking about. And I'm calling out to all my fellow South Africans and celebrities. It's time that we stand as one. Stop being punks. Stop being punks and hiding behind your fake life.